Hi, I'm Julius from Sistema Solutions, and I'm here to show you about one of the updates Microsoft released for 2022 Release Wave 2 for Business Central, and that update is make entry of variant codes required. Item variants are a great way to keep your list of items under control, especially if you have a large number of items that are almost identical and vary only in color, for example. Rather than setting up each variant as a separate item, you can set up one item and then specify the various colors as variants of the item. With this release wave, admins can require that users specify the variant in documents and journals for items that have variants. In order to activate this capability, we navigate to the inventory setup page by clicking on the search button and typing in inventory setup. Once clicking on the page, we will see the variant if mandatory if exists field on the inventory setup page. By default, this is off, and if you want to activate this new capability, you will have to tick it on. Once ticked on, we can see the results in the items page. By going to the item page and selecting a specific item, we will now see a new field. The variant mandatory if exists field has three values: default, no, and yes. Default is the setting that we set on the inventory setup page earlier. No means users are not required to specify a variant for this item. And yes means that if one or more variants exist for this item, users must specify the relevant variant. Otherwise, they will be blocked from posting the transaction. If this capability is switched on by default or by yes, the users will see the field mandatory icon in documents. Users won't be able to post an entry if the variant is not specified. We hope you are able to use this update to its fullest. Thank you.